Above the vast Pacific, a storm rages. Waves crash against steel, and thunder shakes the sky. This is where guardians of the skies prepare for battle. On the deck below, pilots and crew move with precision, readying the nation's most advanced fighter jets for the ultimate test. The F-22 Raptor, stealth, speed, and power fused into a predator of the skies. Pilot Mason climbs in, calm, focused. Every system comes alive, preparing for the fight ahead. With a thunderous roar, the Raptor launches into the storm, slicing through wind and rain with unmatched precision. From the shadows, the F-35 Lightning II rises, high-tech intelligence, ready to dominate the battlefield. Inside the cockpit, data streams converge. Holographic battlefields, real-time targeting, and a 360-degree view of the fight. Defying gravity, the Lightning lifts vertically, accelerating into the storm, ready to strike with precision. Together, the Raptor and Lightning pierce the clouds. Guardians ascending into the clear skies above chaos. Red alerts flash, unknown aircraft detected. The hunt begins. The Raptor strikes first. Silent, deadly, cutting through the clouds like a phantom predator. The Lightning provides eyes and guidance, turning intelligence into unstoppable precision. From the mist, adversaries appear. The sky becomes a battlefield of speed, skill, and steel. The dance of war begins. Jets twist, turn, and dive. Every second counts. Every movement could be the last. A missile streaks across the sky, detonating with unstoppable force. The Raptor has struck true. The Lightning strikes from afar, guided by data, proving that technology and skill are the ultimate weapons. With the threat neutralized, the Guardians soar in formation, a testament to strength, unity, and vigilance. Homecoming on the carrier deck. The storm fades, victory is secure, and the skies are once again under watchful eyes. Pilots emerge, calm, victorious, and ready for the next call to duty. Wings of the sky, the F-22 and F-35, America's guardians. Power, precision, and the courage to defend.